This is a DDAmanda video on HNRC, Houston National Resources. One of our guys found this last week on this 200-day low scan alert right here. And he started looking at the financials, checking that out, and it kind of blew his mind. Anyway, we got an RSI here that's pretty low, 33. This is the last 5 days. Let's look at the chart. Okay, she's been on a downturn. All this getting a little jiggy here. But what's interesting here is your taking money flow just started to go green here, and your MACD is right at the signal. It's a little bit above and starting to go up also. Now we looked at the share structure and noticed that they have recently decreased their authorized by 90%, all the way down to 500 million. And their OS is 75 million and their float is 57 million. So that's, really, really low. So let's look at the financials and check that out. This is going to blow your mind. Okay, here's their financials. Just look at this. You got assets of 74, this is in thousands. So 74 million in assets. And here's their liabilities, 1.3 million. This company should be trading at $1, more than $1. And it's trading at 7 cents. Their book value is, I think, I calculated it to be about 97 cents. Now, are they bringing in any money? Well, yeah. Look at this total revenue. Again, this is in thousands. 18 million total revenue. And then minus your cost gives them a gross profit of 7.8 million. But down here, subtracting all this other stuff, you got a net income of $7.6 million. That is amazing. Again, here's the share structure. Authorized 500 million, outstanding 7.5 or 75 roughly. And here's your float, unrestricted, 56, 57 million. So this is pretty insane. So let's look at the news lately. They have recent news. Okay, let's look at the news on these. They're putting out, news pretty regularly. Here's their 2023 update letter to shareholders. Came out on January 12th. They've got this dividend spinoff that they're going to do. We'll talk about that next. But look at this. They got an appraised value of company's leasehold of $218 million. Something that they're working on here on this Cunningham Energy. And they also got an underwriter here for $10 million because they want to uplist to a major exchange. These guys want to go to NASDAQ. So let's look at the next news. This one just came out in February 23rd this year. They've got an attorney to file an SEC registration for this subsidiary that they want to make it public with an anticipated target listing price of $3.50 a share. And here they are. They compare their revenue from back in 2020 was 9 million, actually doubled. Look at that. In 2021 it went to 18 million, and they're expecting an increase for 2022 when they get it. And look at this. Look at this. The company intends to focus on realizing the value of a total $1.15 per share in current appraised energy assets. So they're saying that they're worth over $1 here, and which makes total sense when you look at their book value. So anyway, this thing is amazing. So to wrap this up, these guys haven't been trading very much. Traded $11,000 on Friday, and before that hardly anything. Same, 50,000, not even over 100,000. So when the attention gets here, this thing's gonna blow up. So anyway, that's our presentation on this company. We don't put these out very often. We only put them out when we find something really, really good. And so that's it on this company. We're going to have a little bit of clip on DDAmanda, and that's how we find these things. So anyway, thanks for listening. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. and help us beat the YouTube algorithm. Alright, thanks guys. Okay, this is just a quick overview of DDAmanda. They've got all the markets covered, NASDAQ, OTC, NYSE, and this is how you find winning stocks, okay? I've used this and it's really, really good. Now they use AI to find these things, okay? And their core philosophy is to help you make money from trading stocks, alright? We've got some really, really, a lot of testimonials of people that have used it. I love you guys. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. I mean, it just goes on and on. People love this thing. And they have this $8 a day trial subscription that you can check it out with. They have other subscription levels. And they give you free one-on-one training and instant support. And if you're not happy, they give you all your money back. So how can you lose? It's a beautiful, beautiful program. Everybody that tries DDAmanda loves it. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.